good news about Jesus as come to John chapter 8 from verse 21 to verse 29. Which part Jesus a go? Part 1. Then Jesus said to them again, say, me a go away, and unu go and look for me, but unu go and dead in unu sin. Unu can't come apart me a go. When say, make the Jew leader them start ask, a killing going kill himself, make him a say, where part me a go, unu can't come. But Jesus go and talk, and he said to them, say, unu come from down a bottom, yeah. Me come from heaven up at top. Unu come from the world, yeah. Me no come from here. And that make me say to unu say, unu going dead in unu sin. Cause if unu no believe who me say me be, unu are go dead in unu sin them. So them ask, who you? The same somebody me I tell unu from the start, Jesus said to them. Me have enough other sitting for say and for judge unu for. But the Father will send me talk the truth. And when me hear him say, me tell the people them in the world. But then they understand what him did I tell them about him Father. So Jesus say, when uno lift up the man where God picked on the cross, at them time there, uno go and know say, me a who me say me be. And that me no do nothing for my own, but that me talk only when my Father teach me. The one we send me, turn with me. Him ne make me turn for my own, cause me ever do when make him happy. A Gad Wod Dis. Thank God.